Hello guys, welcome back to Automash channel. The 2025 Yamaha YZ450F Monster Energy Edition brings cutting-edge performance, bold design, and factory racing aesthetics to motocross enthusiasts. For those who crave the thrill of off-road adventures or competitive racing, this special edition is the ultimate two-wheeled weapon, priced at approximately $10,099 in the United States. Let's dive into what makes this motocross marvel stand out. Starting with its design, the Monster Energy Edition takes the standard YZ450F to a new level. The black and blue color scheme, complemented by the iconic Monster Energy graphics, gives it a fierce and aggressive look straight out of the Yamaha racing team's playbook. This bike doesn't just perform like a champion, it looks like one, turning heads wherever it goes. Under the hood, the 2025 YZ450F boasts a lighter and more compact 450 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled four-stroke engine. This powerplant delivers blistering acceleration and a broad torque curve, ensuring it can handle any terrain with ease. Yamaha has also enhanced the cylinder head and intake system, providing better airflow for increased power output and smoother throttle response, making it a true motocross powerhouse. One of the standout features of the YZ450F Monster Energy Edition is its class-leading suspension system. The fully adjustable KYB spring forks and rear shock ensure exceptional handling and comfort, no matter how rough the track gets. Coupled with a revised chassis and lightweight frame, this bike offers superior agility and stability, allowing riders to push their limits with confidence. Technology plays a big role in the 2025 model. The YZ450F comes equipped with Yamaha's PowerTuner app, allowing riders to customize engine mapping directly from their smartphones. Whether you're optimizing for a specific track or personal preference, this feature ensures the bike adapts to your unique riding style. The wireless connectivity adds a modern touch, bridging the gap between man and machine. The ergonomics of the YZ450F have been fine-tuned for maximum rider comfort. A narrower seat and updated bodywork improve mobility, making it easier to shift your weight during intense rides. The lightweight design, combined with centralized mass, provides a more natural feel, making even long rides less tiring. With a competitive price of $10,099, the 2025 Yamaha YZ450F Monster Energy Edition offers incredible value for serious riders. It's not just a bike, it's an experience. A piece of machinery designed to dominate the motocross world while delivering unparalleled performance, comfort, and style. In conclusion, the 2025 YZ450F Monster Energy Edition isn't just another motocross bike, it's a statement. From its aggressive design to its unmatched performance and cutting-edge technology, this bike is a game-changer for motocross enthusiasts. Whether you're a professional racer or an avid off-road rider, this Yamaha is ready to take you to the next level. Don't just ride, conquer the track.